update, you guys. As soon as I was gonna jack the car up, it starts hailing. What? Look at this. Y'all see this? Look at this. I already took my freaking side skirt off. Oh, my cardboard. Retreat! Retreat! I need to go grab my side skirt. No! Vlog squad, we back. Miguel just got here. It stopped raining too. What, bro? You ain't never seen somebody carry the fucking the jack like that? Go grab my jack stand though. Go grab my jack stand though. Huh? All this side's about to lift. You wanna scoot the cardboard more?
Oh yeah, you're missing all of the bolts.
That's missing all of them?
Yeah.
How the fuck is it still in then? Fuck the heat shield. Oh, it's just 4 bolts too, so yeah. It's not more. Alright guys, so we're gonna take the heat shield off. We're gonna say fuck the heat shield. We're just gonna take it off. Miguel said it's okay. Yeah. So fuck it. There's another one on top. We did find out that this is why it's leaking. So on the mission to find something that's a little tiny bit bigger than this. So 15 nuts. So let's go. Hey, we went to Ace Hardware. Oh, wait, we're here. Ace Hardware. Thank you.
Thank you.
Let me see. Hopefully we found them, the right ones. Now we just gotta go try to put them on. All the tools ready. Chill out. I feel like I'm in one of those AutoZone commercials. Chill. Get in the zone. AutoZone. Chill. The biggest betrayal.
What you grab now?
Huh? I got a hammer.
Yeah.
Alright, update. My camera's about to die, but went to a muffler shop. Didn't work out. We tried to take the bolts out. They weren't bolts. So, shit. Alright, we'll be back on tomorrow. We're going to a car meet tomorrow. I'm gonna go like that, but we're gonna go to the gym right now.
Oh, never mind. Yeah.
Hey, how are you?
You gotta get your own now.
Oh, kind of irritated.
I have to rest in peace to the Gray Civic.
They gave me the washer and dryer.
Paid tribute.
Alright, then I'll install this and call you or send you a snap right now.
Alright then.
Peace out.
See ya.
Okay, grab it. Is it too big?
I think it is.
No, it's like right on there. Again, we had another epic fail. The wing didn't fit. I'm sorry if this vlog is like jumping all over the place, but sorry. It's just kind of hard. It's getting even harder now, but yes, my door still doesn't have the thing inside. Had a different wing like he said, he just didn't like it, and I just realized that I have to drill into these little dimples right now as I was watching a video on it. Yes, I have my door thing right here. So the 2 little dimples are right here, so I do need to drill those out. Oh, once again, 2-day freaking filming. Alright, so earlier in the vlog we tried to already put the wing, but this time we're actually going to do it because we have to drill some holes. And we have the holes already, but we're waiting on my friend Luis to come over here. And I did cover the old holes up because I didn't want it to rain and then boom, freaking water gets in. So hopefully no water gets in. I don't know if to leave that tape or not, but we'll see. Miguel has my glasses on for some reason.
They're mine now.
Nah, bro, chill out, bro. I bought those at Ross. I bought those at Ross.
They're mine now.
Oh, dirty wheels. We're gonna freaking do a guide thingy here. So, welcome to Jackass 2.0. That looks like about the center. So.
bro. I'm like fucking scared of going to the gym now.
Oh, they're right here.
Coronavirus.
Oh yeah? Is that why?
That's why. And that's what she said.
So it would be what? This one?
Yeah. And this one back.
Ooh.
We're shuffling.
I thought you said every day we're shuffling. I was like, oh no.
No, I didn't say that. I feel hella bummed out, dude. I really do want to go. Just fucking everybody's getting sick.
Oh, to the gym?
Sorry, I know you're recording. I cuss a lot.
Oh no, I don't give a fuck. What happened, Johnny? It was another fail.
Your bumper, dude, look. It's coming out of the back of the bumper.
Fuck, it's cold. There you go. You guys can get a cockpit view. All right, guys.
God, I love the fucking flashes though.
So we're just gonna go and get some food now. I think
it's hot
there's been
as fuck outside, dude. It's summer,
it's
you know.
freaking summer. Like the sun's out. So yeah, it's fucking cold. I'm hungry. It was like what, 4 fails already in the vlog. So it's like, I mean, I got the wing on, but it's not painted. So either way, but that's how it looks. No third brake light. I forgot to drill a hole for the third brake light, and I'm too lazy to go back and try to do that again. So yeah, shout out to Luis for helping us.
I said I'm driving Mercedes, my windows not tinted, they look at me crazy. I ride through my city, I talk to that bitch like, look what you made me. We came from the basement, now look at our statements. She calling me baby, calling me lately. All this shit changed when I got the Sadies. I'm driving Mercedes, my windows not tinted, they look at me crazy. I ride through my city, I talk to that bitch like, look